And, yeah, right there. 19.
God, no, that's a rodeo board.
Son, you got yourself a legend here on these roads. This here's Haulington Fusebox. I'm going to tell you a little story my mama told me years ago. She goes, Haulington, what y'all going to do with your life? I said, Mama, I'm going to drive one of them there big trucks. I'm going to drive an 18-wheeler and talk on a Citizens Band radio. I got Peterbilt running through my veins, Mama. Come on now. Come on now.
Right.
That's right, son. I'm just looking to ratchet ya a little tonight. Anybody out there looking to fill my cab with a little jib jab? Come on now.